M&A's hot right now. M&A 2015 was a huge year. And we're talking about the middle to the lower middle market. That's where
Right.
we service. And it's burning right now. It is so hot. There is so much money out on the street. And there are, believe it or not, there are not enough companies that has carried forward into 2016. I know a lot of folks have said, well, 16, the market is starting to slow. Certainly further downstream, larger deals, the deals are starting to slow, but middle market to lower middle market, things are great. I think the biggest driver is the fact that there is lots of dry powder out on the street. There's lots of money on the street, there's not enough inventory. So lots of competition driving up multiples. And you're talking about folks having 5, 6, 7 bidders for companies. I was talking to a gentleman last night. His company is not even on the market. He's received 5 unsolicited offers to sell his company. So what we try to tell them is it's akin to selling your home. You need curb appeal in order to sell your home. You'll do a couple of small tweaks in some circumstances, or maybe some larger renovations before you put your house on the market. The same thing with your business. You want to prepare your business for sale. If you've never had financial statements, you want to get them. And what we'll typically tell folks in this market is most of them are tax driven. So they don't want to spend money for an audited financial or a reviewed financial unless they absolutely are forced to do it. And what we tell folks is when you're about to go to market, the cost of audited financials, the cost of having good advisors is not a cost, it is an investment. And that investment will garner a return when you sell your business. So lots of folks, that is really what we tell them. Deal Makers is an event we've been doing for almost 4 years now. We do it every quarter. And what we do is we bring 4 sponsors into a room. We have Gray as the CPA firm. We have an M&A law firm. We have an investment banker and some sort of debt, senior or mezzanine. And we bring deal makers into a room. People looking to buy, people looking to sell, strategic relationships, new verticals. So basically, if you're running a lifestyle business, we're not going to invite you to this event because you wouldn't be comfortable there. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're concerned about what my business is doing today and that you wanted to do more tomorrow and more the next day, you're a perfect candidate for this forum. What this forum does is it's 4 to 6. We do it at the Newton Marriott. It's convenient for folks. We do it once every quarter. We spend an hour and we talk about what's going on in M&A, what's hot, what's not, what's going on in the credit markets, what's keeping deals from closing, what's facilitating deals closing. And then we'll break into networking. And we put people together. What I say, this event, in the crude way that I describe it is organized speed dating. The reason why people are in the room is because we know there is somebody in the room that's going to sit on the opposite side of the table from them. If there is somebody looking to sell a manufacturing company, we'll make sure there is someone in the room looking to buy a similar company, and then we'll make that introduction. So I would say 2008, when I started the M&A group here, I learned one thing from the private equity community, and that is, unfortunately, nobody really cares that you're a great accountant and you can do great things. But what they do care about is if you're a great CPA firm that can make introductions to help them grow their businesses, that is a very powerful combination. That's the reason why this event, only one of its kind, has been a huge success for us.